name is Katie St. Norris, certified financial planner and registered investment advisor. In this video, we're going to talk about the updated cryptocurrency question on Form 1040 for 2022. Let's get going and take a look. So, the IRS recently released a draft copy of Form 1040 for 2022 with expanded crypto question. First, let's take a look on the Form 2021 and the cryptocurrency question. On the face of Form 1040 for 2021, the question regarding cryptocurrency asked the following: at any time during 2021, did you receive, sell, exchange, or otherwise dispose of any financial interest in virtual currency? Yes or no? Now, Form 2022, the question was expanded to any time during 2022 did you receive as reward, award, or payment for property or services, or sell, exchange, gift, or otherwise disposed of a digital asset. Please pay attention, it doesn't say virtual currency any longer. It says digital asset. So all your NFTs there will be included when answering this question. Or financial interest in digital asset. Answer yes or no. They guide you to look at the instructions. Instructions are not available yet. We're waiting on them. But you will answer no to this question in 2022 if you basically owned digital asset in one of your accounts or wallets, or you transferred that asset between your accounts or wallets, or simply purchased in 2022 that digital asset with a real currency like United States dollar. Pretty much in any other situation, you will answer yes to this question. We expect instruction for Form 1040-22 will be released shortly, and we'll keep you posted. Thank you for watching. Bye.